My name is Vladislav Gawenko. I'm assistant professor at Lancaster University, Leipzig, in the area of accounting. And in the first year, I teach introduction modules for financial accounting under IFRS. So there, we'll look at the fundamentals of financial accounting. And later on, we move into advanced topics. For example, in the third year of the program Financial Accounting or Accounting and Finance, I'm teaching Financial Accounting 1 and 2, where we look at the consolidated financial statements and also at deferred taxes, hedge accounting, leases, and employee benefits. And yes, and together we have big classes, we have smaller classes, and you can engage in workshops with us together. And we work on real-world examples, and also we have guest lecturers from big audit companies here from Leipzig, like KPMG, PwC, and there you can also have this practical focus, what is actually happening in real world of financial accounting. And yes, so what is our goal? We want actually to create, or we create, an engaging learning experience for you and prepare you for your career. And one last thing to mention is that our programs Accounting and Finance and Business Management with Accounting and Finance have the accreditation from ACCA and ICAW, and this is worldwide accepted everywhere and is very important for your future career.